Welcome to Safetica 101. In this episode, we will cover installing and configuring Safetica Mobile. Safetica Mobile works on iOS, Android, and Windows mobile devices. After installing Safetica Mobile on a device, you will be able to perform common MDM tasks like locate, lock, and wipe, along with a few other additional security options. To install Safetica Mobile on a device, we will begin with 3 steps. First, Web Safetica is required for Safetica Mobile. All Safetica Mobile settings are performed through Web Safetica. Web Safetica installation is covered in another episode. The next step is to send an email invite to the user associated with the mobile device. To complete the installation, you will have to complete a few steps on the mobile device. From the Web Safetica portal, navigate to Management and then Mobile Devices. Now click Add Device. If the user of the device you are deploying to is already in the list, you can simply check the box next to the user's name. If they are not, you can add a mobile user, fill out the required information, and then hit the Send Invitation button. Now, let's move to the mobile device. In this training, we will be using an iOS device, but the steps are similar for Android and Windows mobile devices as well. After receiving the email invitation to join the device to Safetica management and accepting, the setup process will walk you through each step of deployment. The first step is to determine whether this is a company device or a personal device. If it is enrolled as a personal device, the locate and wipe functions will not be available. On iOS devices, you will have to install a profile in order to manage the device. With Android and Windows Mobile, this is handled by the Safetica Mobile app. During the profile creation, the user will be reminded of the new capabilities the administrator will have and whether or not this is a trusted source for management. Once the profile is installed, the device will be managed through Web Safetica. There is also an app that will be installed on the device. This app is used for device location and will prompt you to allow location services to be used by the Safetica Mobile app. Now that we have successfully installed the Safetica Mobile app on the mobile device, it is time to configure the policy and to test the connection. We will do this by testing out the location and log functionality, and then we will go through the policy settings. Now that I've switched back to my Web Safetica dashboard, I can now see the device is successfully enrolled. When we click on the device, we can see basic device information along with the security state of the phone. We can see that this device is considered safe because certain security settings are enabled. If these settings were disabled, we would be presented with this information. The first thing we will test is to make sure the device is communicating. We can start this by hitting the Locate Device button. You can see the green box at the bottom of the screen indicating the command was sent. If there was an error, it would have been displayed as well. Now, let's take a look at a few of the policy options. We will start with the screen log options. Just like the Safetica DLP and supervisor settings, Safetica Mobile can have multiple policies applied to different users depending on their role in the organization. The screen lock policy allows you to require a passcode to unlock a mobile device. You can also choose how secure the password option is by adjusting items like minimum passcode length, how long a password can be used, and how long a device will wait until it auto-locks. You can also set Wi-Fi policies. You can push company Wi-Fi information directly to a mobile device without involving the end user. This way, Wi-Fi passwords can be kept secure while still allowing employees to connect their mobile devices. The third policy is dedicated to camera usage. By disabling the ability to use a camera on a mobile device, a company can ensure that employees are not taking pictures of sensitive information while on the job. Finally, let's test the lock feature to make sure the phone is receiving commands. After hitting the lock button, it only takes a few seconds for the device to switch to the lock screen. Thanks for watching this episode of Safetica 101. This training introduced you to some of the many features and capabilities of Safetica. For more information, please visit our website at corporatearmor.com or call us at 1-877-449-0458.